The top 3 reasons to maintain any system starts with energy efficiency. Basically, as these systems get dirty, the dirt impacts the system's ability to transfer heat. And we start off with a brand new clean coil, and we start off with clean blower wheels, but as the dirt rests on there and impacts them over time, it can't transfer heat, it can't move air efficiently, and that costs you more money. You're paying to run a certain size of machine that should be transferring a certain amount of heat, and if it's not doing that, you're wasting energy. The second reason we maintain systems is to prevent breakdowns. Now, I have a drain line right here that gets impacted with sediment. That's one thing we clean out. That's one thing that could cause a breakdown. We also test and measure all the other mechanical components in your system that we can to make sure nothing's gonna break down unexpectedly. The third reason we do preventative maintenance on any type of HVAC equipment is indoor air quality or clean air. We all wanna breathe healthy, clean air and feel better, live longer, the whole deal. But changing your filter and keeping your system clean is one of the easiest ways to make sure the indoor air quality of your home is as high as it can possibly be. So having us out to maintain your system will, number 1, reduce energy consumption, number 2, prevent costly breakdowns, and number 3, make sure the air in your home is as clean as humanly possible.